Ever wondered how the share market works? Well, it's not as complicated as it seems. It's all about buyers, sellers, and the delicate dance they perform every trading day. But let's get into the details. The share market, also known as the stock market, operates much like any other marketplace. However, instead of buying and selling goods, participants trade in company shares. These shares represent a portion of ownership in a company and give the holder a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. The share market begins its dance with a process known as initial public offering, or IPO. This is when a company decides to sell a portion of its shares to the public for the first time. The IPO sets the initial market price for the company's shares based on perceived demand and the company's financial health. Now the dance floor is open. Buyers and sellers step in, each with their own motivations. Some are looking for long-term growth, others for quick profits, and some are just trying to diversify their portfolios. The price of a share at any given moment is determined by supply and demand. If more people want to buy a particular share than sell it, the price goes up. Conversely, if more people want to sell than buy, the price goes down. Trading takes place on exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq. These exchanges act as facilitators, providing a platform where buyers and sellers can meet and negotiate prices. Shares are bought and sold through brokers, who act as intermediaries between the buyers and sellers. In exchange for their services, brokers charge a fee or commission. While the share market can seem like a chaotic flurry of numbers, it's actually a complex system of checks and balances driven by information. News about a company, its industry, or the economy as a whole can all affect the price of a share. In summary, the share market is a platform where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. The process begins with an IPO, where a company sells a portion of its shares to the public. The price of these shares then fluctuates based on supply and demand. Understanding the share market is crucial for anyone looking to invest. It's not just about picking the right companies, but also about understanding the larger forces at play. So, next time you look at the share market, remember, it's not just numbers on a screen. It's a dance of buyers and sellers, supply and demand, information and perception. It's a dance that's been going on for centuries, and one that's likely to continue for many more.